National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Lenox, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Country Club Hills, Crete, Preston Heights, Joliet, Olympia Fields, Crest Hill, Beecher, Orland Hills, South Chicago Heights, Sauk Village, Tinley Park, Rockdale, New Lenox, Richmond Park, Crystal Lawns, Fairmont, Ingalls Park, Grand Park, Flossmere, Ford Heights, Steger, Mantino, Palmer Glen, and Wilton Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is